Jio also alleged that Airtel has deliberately chosen to install a critical network element outside India. New Delhi, Reliance Jio has filed complaint against Bharti Airtel with a dot, alleging that the telecom major is offering eSIM service on Apple Watch Series 3 in violation of license norms and demanded immediate closure of the service. Apple Watch Series 3 service is being offered by Airtel in deliberate and gross violation to the terms and conditions of Unified License, Jio said in a letter to the Department of Telecom. Email sent to Bharti Airtel elicited no immediate reply. Both Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel are selling Apple Watch Series 3 from May 11 through their sales channels. Apple Watch and iPhone of a subscriber share the same number, and subscribers can use both iPhone and Apple Watch with eSIM to make or receive calls independent of the call status of the other devices. The eSIM is paired with the SIM in iPhone wirelessly through a dedicated network node. The node used for eSIM profile allocation contains network and user information such as operator identifier, SIM details, PIN, remote file management for managing SIM files remotely, etc. Jio alleged that Airtel has not set up the eSIM provisioning node within India, and the node being used to provide Apple Watch Series 3 service is currently located out of India in gross violation to the license terms. The Mukesh Ambani-led firm also alleged that Sunil Bharti middle-led telecom firm should have carried out lawful interception and monitoring, but it is not aware of any demonstration carried out by Airtel prior to service launch, so that important national security interests are not compromised. Jio also alleged that Airtel has deliberately chosen to install a critical network element outside India. We request your good office to take severe action against M.S. Bharti Airtel Limited and impose the strictest of penalties under the license. Furthermore, we request you to direct Airtel to immediately stop this service and start this service only upon complying with the requirements of national security and addressing the violations of the license terms and conditions, Jio said. Instagram pulls the plug on its Apple Watch app. New lawsuit for infringing heart rate sensor technology in Apple Watch rivals Airtel. Jio battle over Apple Watch 3. Smartwatch pre-orders begin on May 4. Apple Watch to help smartwatch shipments hit 71.5 Minnesota by 2021.